guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a super easy Dollar Tree DIY. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining us today. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. For this DIY, I'm gonna use these Dollar Tree stockings and I'm gonna remove the snowflake. I'll also be using some of this white fabric. Also these poster letters from Dollar Tree, and it turns out that they're actually pretty thin, so it's not going to give me the look that I wanted. I'm still going to use these sort of as a stencil.
You're right next to me, so alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're
You guys know I will forever share good deals with you guys, and today's good deals come through Top Hatter, who sponsored this video. Super excited about this website because I love the thrill of getting cheap stuff. Like, if you guys don't know that already, I don't know who you are. I don't know why you're here. I'm no, actually just kidding. I love that you're here. So Top Hatter is actually a super exciting shopping site where their deals only last 90 seconds. So you have to be quick before they're gone. They have different categories in jewelry, electronics, home, beauty, and fashion. And it's free to sign up and free to bid. So it's kind of like an auction site. And you're only going to pay when you win the item in the auction, so you don't pay any other time. They have deal drops throughout the day where brand name products are auctioned off starting at $1. I mean, you guys know dollar is like one of my favorite words in my vocabulary. You can earn badges by achieving a certain number of wins, shopping on holidays, and bidding on a certain number of days in a row. And they have all sorts of cute stuff. You are going to get a $5 credit right away. All you have to do is sign up using the link in the description box. I will also link it in the comment section. $5 is cool because they also have a lot of stuff that has free shipping. You guys know me. I'm going to gravitate that way because I don't want to pay anything else than I should. Or have to. Good deals, you guys. Make sure you head on over there and check Top Hatter out. I just want to remind you guys that having sponsored content or affiliate links on my channel truly helps my ability to continue doing this for you guys. Honestly, I would be dead broke if I continued making all these videos. I just don't have, all the money in the world, and I really hope you guys understand that. I know a lot of you may not like the sponsored content, but without it, I really could not be here. So thank you guys for your support and also for continuing to watch, even though I do have sponsored ads here and there. I'm just gonna make a quick garland with these snowflakes.
Hide with me, come on, hide with me, hide.
For this one, I'm going to be using 4 of these Dollar Tree wreaths, some burlap fabric, leftover white fabric, and taking my wire cutters, I'm going to cut each wreath. So taking one end of the wreath to the other, I was going to wrap it with the same little branches, but I'm actually going to use some zip ties. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2 and attach it to this wreath.
I called you up just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it seems. Days without water along the sun-soaked road, we crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you. I did it all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.